Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video make for a new mining site. So if you want to know this site, please keep watching my video and stay with me. First of all, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. It has a two part. One part crypto video uploaded in this and other travel video uploaded in this. If you get those information, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fastly. Okay. So every day I try to upload it the earning site. So now I brought a new mining site. If you want to investment in this site, you get earning every day. So keep watching. uh, this is a new base mining site. Okay, like as Fruxon, Glass City Smith, Quanto, Study, and other related. Okay, this site ages only 26 hours. Okay, I have already 2 days run, 2 days running. So if you want to working this site, I think it will be very useful to you. Okay, and there is some important rule for you. If you using dual IP or dual account, you cannot block from them. Okay, so you must be valid IP for registration this site. Okay, otherwise you can mining this site and your payment will be halted so slowly because of new site and deposit any time of stop. There is a profit ratio here, only $10 dollar. Next level also show you VIP 2 $100 dollar, 75 to 1.25%. Okay, so another package I will show you. uh, this package named VIP theory 640 time and profit ratio share 1 to 1.67%, 5 USDT minimum. Okay, contact period 100 time. Okay, so new base mining site. So I request to you, please join now and keep mining at this site. Okay, how to join this? Huh? You get this site link information in my video description box and video running scenes. So now I show you how to process of description, because of I already to already account create. So now I using VIP IP, so otherwise I cannot register this site. So one IP, one account must be, remember it. Okay, now I here is their registration form. Type your nickname, phone number, mail, password and reply password type, and verification this code and your invitation code. Okay, click this, it will be registration. Okay, I fill up this. I was from fill up this. Okay, please click this registration option. Okay, I click this and go to this home. Alhamdulillah, I create my account. Yeah, it's my home account. Okay, so I was be deposited inside. So first off, go to this activity option, is signing it. Okay, check in now. Every day you come with, you get 0.02 is the bonus. Okay, Now I deposit this before I quantify. Okay, here is the quantify option here, but I want to deposit here now. uh, so go to this option and click this recharge option, and you can recharge this by way. I also saw you recharge this option, that's why. Okay, click minimum $10. Okay, I waiting. uh, Click this, wait now. Here is my deposit address. So copy now and go to my Bybit account, paste it. Okay, and another type you verify it. Okay, go to this option, check it. Okay, submit it and submit this option. Okay, send to my verification code. Okay, I'm waiting. Next step. Okay, next step I will do is done. Okay, I waiting for my deposit. Waiting for not deposit at here. I waiting. Alhamdulillah, I received my dollar. So it will be made maybe 2 minutes. Okay, so what do you know, please click this option middle part and go to this next level. Okay, click this unlock button. Okay, improve now, please sign in. Okay, I click this right now. Alhamdulillah, my update was success, and now click this option, it will be ongoing. Okay, wait now, I fill up all my tasks, and then I back to the site, and you go to first activity option, please sign in gift, click now. Okay, quantify is going, so it will be processing or finish, then I will back. It's now very slowly, so I want to another uh, work down. Here is my, I want to edit my wallet address. So if you choose ERC20 or TRC, so I use TRC ERC20. Okay, so go now, select this option, paste now and paste now, is confirm. And you must be do this your uh, another option, set password. Okay, how to add this I show you. Please drop down the menu, security center, transaction password. Okay, type your 6 characters as password, only account value. Okay, I click this. Okay, submit option, it will be set up. And you must be QIC number, upload this ID, and you also fill up this. Okay, inshallah next day I will be withdraw this site, and KYC like proof. Alhamdulillah, my total earning show here. So inshallah I will be withdraw review. There is a withdraw process, city wallet address. Okay, type your amount, so minimum 3, so otherwise not withdraw, then the point, submit this voucher, then it will be so that's the end of video. Select this year. Have you got a question, please type by video comments. That's the end of video.